Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a really, really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was near its low points to where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a very, very nice move today. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area on the chart is down here at $2.77. Why is $2.77 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 277. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there is a little bit of a pullback and the price behaves in a manner like this before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps heading in the overall upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as 277. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not even close to being a top priority. Top priority in my mind is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as those higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So great way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.